Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. Have you ever thought about becoming an HVAC technician? Maybe you've heard that HVAC technicians earn good salaries, travel to different job sites, and are in demand all over the world. But before you choose this career, there are some important things you need to know. In this video, I'll explain what HVAC is, what skills you need, what tools you'll use, what you should study, and how you can become a successful HVAC technician even if you're starting from zero. So, let's get started. What is an HVAC technician? An HVAC technician installs, maintains, troubleshoots, and repairs heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. These systems are used in homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, factories, and many other buildings. As an HVAC technician, your job is to make sure these systems operate safely, efficiently, and reliably. Do you need a college degree? One of the biggest advantages of this career is that a university degree is not always required. Many successful HVAC technicians begin through technical schools, vocational institutes, apprenticeships, or on-the-job training. However, learning from qualified instructors, following manufacturer guidelines, and gaining practical experience are all important for building a successful career.
Learn the HVAC fundamentals first. Before touching any equipment, you should understand the basic concepts of HVAC. Learn how the refrigeration cycle works, the functions of the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion device, and understand topics like pressure, temperature, heat transfer, superheat, and subcooling. When your fundamentals are strong, troubleshooting becomes much easier. Learn electrical basics. Modern HVAC systems rely heavily on electrical components. You should learn how to use a multimeter safely, read wiring diagrams, test voltage and continuity, and understand components such as capacitors, contactors, relays, thermostats, sensors, and motors. Strong electrical knowledge is one of the most valuable skills an HVAC technician can have. Learn to use HVAC tools. Every technician should know how to use the right tools correctly. These include manifold gauges, vacuum pumps, clamp meters, digital thermometers, refrigerant charging scales, leak detectors, tube cutters, flaring tools, and torque wrenches. Using the correct tool properly improves both safety and work quality. Practice installation and maintenance. Installing equipment correctly is just as important as repairing it. Learn how to install split air conditioners, prepare refrigerant piping, pressure test systems where required, evacuate systems properly, and perform preventive maintenance such as cleaning coils, replacing filters, and checking electrical connections. Good maintenance skills reduce equipment failures and improve system efficiency. Develop troubleshooting skills. Professional technicians don't guess, they diagnose. Learn how to identify problems by checking airflow, electrical components, refrigerant conditions, temperatures, and system controls. A systematic troubleshooting approach helps solve problems accurately while avoiding unnecessary replacement of parts. Always follow safety procedures. Safety should always come first. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, disconnect electrical power before servicing equipment when required, use the correct tools, and handle refrigerants according to local regulations and manufacturer recommendations. A good technician protects both people and equipment. Keep learning new technologies. The HVAC industry continues to evolve. Today's technicians should become familiar with inverter air conditioners, VRF and VRV systems, smart thermostats, building automation systems, energy-efficient equipment, and environmentally responsible refrigerants. Continuous learning will help you stay competitive and create more career opportunities. Build professional skills. Technical knowledge alone is not enough. A successful HVAC technician should also communicate clearly with customers, arrive on time, stay organized, write simple service reports, work well with teammates, and maintain a professional attitude on every job. These qualities often help technicians earn promotions and better job opportunities. Can HVAC be a good career? Yes. HVAC can be a rewarding career for people who enjoy practical work, solving technical problems, and learning new skills. With experience, continuous training, and a strong work ethic, technicians may progress into roles such as senior technician, supervisor, service engineer, commissioning engineer, estimator, project engineer, or even start their own HVAC business depending on their qualifications and local opportunities. If you're serious about becoming an HVAC technician, don't rush. Start by learning the fundamentals, practice safely, improve your troubleshooting skills, master your tools, and continue learning throughout your career. Every experienced HVAC professional started as a beginner. With dedication, patience, and consistent practice, you can build a successful future in the HVAC industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel